Today happens to be World Intellectual Property Day. The theme was about intellectual property and sport, basically how intellectual property transcends in all the sporting field. We were able to have UNESCO represented by Mr. Karl Amper, the former copyright administrator, lawyer Bernard Teko Bosumpra was there. We also had Uprise Music coming to grace the occasion. And then we also had one infringement case which is so interesting, one Kobe Spikey. He created a song, CAF used his song, but never acknowledged, never paid. And he was able to win the case in court, but up to today, he was not able to get his awards that the court granted him. And as well, myself also look at all the fakes aspects within sport in terms of trademarks, people calling Adidas, Adibas, Nike, Nikki. That is bringing down people's businesses.
If you know you are a songwriter, you have to protect it. Have you gone to register your work? Have you gone to copyright to register? Have you done all that? If you haven't done it, please, I'm encouraging you to do it. Because without it, your work is not your work. Because people are having their property. Musicians, you will hear them saying that, "Oh, somebody has stolen my song," and all that. Have you protected it? Have you registered it? If not, then I'm urging you to do that now.
I'm Karl Amper. I'm working with UNESCO. I'm in charge of our culture program and also a social and human sciences program with another colleague. That's where we have sports, fall under. As far as UNESCO is concerned, it works very closely with WIPO to ensure that intellectual property awareness is out there for creators, for policymakers, for everybody that needs it. So the education has to go right down from from the school system, so that before people come out, they know their rights, they know what to do when they create, and know that it's an avenue where money can be generated to put food on the table. And we're hoping that the ministry concerned would take active interest in this area.
My name is Grace Nyele, so I work as the operations manager and publishing administrator at Uprise Music and Media. We are currently in the football season, so it's important that we talk about the theme, which is intellectual property and sports. So I say again that it's very timely because we have athletes also using songs of the artists. We need systems that we can use to track, especially the music that are being used during big fun moments, even on the football field, even when there are halftime breaks. All these things need proper systems to be tracked, and that's why it's very important that this information is being shared and reaches across the globe.
My name is Kobe Spikey, and I'm a tech entrepreneur and a music producer, and most people know me because I sued CAF for basically using my soundtrack without my permission, and was granted a judgment of $250,000. So I've been on the forefront of intellectual property discussions for a long time, and through the whole issue learned a lot. And I've realized that a lot of people don't really know what it means, what it entails, copyright, intellectual property, trademark infringement, and I think it's a good thing for people to learn.
Intellectual property is also a current trend. And sports, for instance, we are in the process of, the World Cup will soon start, and they will be broadcasting the matches. And matches come under when the broadcasting. And broadcasting is protected by copyright. Any thing that is subject to creativity definitely has to get under intellectual property protection.